All right, what is up, guys? Today we are finally getting an 850 cert cage put in the Camaro, so cue the time lapse. Alright guys, we got it back from getting the cage put in. We're gonna pull it up into the garage and I'll show you guys what it looks like. We're gonna sand it, we're gonna wipe it down with some grease and wax remover, we're gonna paint it, and we're gonna clear coat it. So here we go. Woo-wee! So I don't have a mixing stick, but I do have a really long bolt. It's the cleanest bolt I can find, so it's gonna have to work. Oh yeah, working just fine. Hell, what do you need those mixing sticks for when you got a nice bolt anyway? Woo, that looks more like gray instead of black, but whatever, too late now. I'm thinking about how to paint the cage and not myself, because it's like a jungle gym in there. So I think I'm gonna start in the back seat and then paint all those bars and kind of work my way forward and do each side. I don't know how well it's gonna, Today, Junior! I don't know how well that's gonna work. I'm probably gonna get paint all over myself still, but it is what it is. Brother! Oh yeah! That should be enough for now. Alright guys, it's the next day, and the clear is still a little bit tacky, but dang does it look good. I mean, I couldn't be happier the way it turned out. But moving forward with the build, I'm gonna keep trucking on this thing. First thing I'm gonna do is get that disgusting wiring all cleaned up there. There is quite the mess in there. And then I'm also just gonna get everything cleaned out. I got more interior parts, and even I'm gonna put the back seat back in this thing. This thing is a street car, and I wanted to keep it looking like a factory street car on the inside, other than the crazy bars now. But what I'm most excited about is this. This is a rack and pinion, and it comes with the kit and the mounting brackets and everything to put right in there and get rid of that disgusting steering box and all that steering linkages. So I'm pretty excited about that. But that'll be for next week's video, so you guys gotta come back next week and see what I tear up. See you later, guys. You guys remember, new videos come out every Friday morning. Peace.